everybody. Pick your team 24. Austin, thank you for the kill. And good luck. All right. Guess the auto for 20. Quick. Then we can focus either on H2, other breaks. Come on, be something big right here. See a vinyl or something. If I see a vinyl right here, I'd be happy. I'd be extremely happy if we seen at least like a vinyl. A vinyl of Joe Alt would be awesome. A nice ice. I don't even know if we hit an ice in this, you know. We might have. We might have hit like some kind of insert if I'm not mistaken. I don't believe, and please don't hold me to this, but I don't think we're gonna be. Oh shit! Ew, Dominic, I gotta go ahead and add you back in. Dominic, remind me to mod you up after this. I'm sorry. Usually it's at least one ice per case. Usually. Got something coming. Good luck. Biggest quorum base autograph Rams. No Dak David finally connects on a quorum. I think he probably got the guess. I'm guessing. Cooper DeJean. There you go, no Dak. Finally. No set. Pandora. Is this another Kings? Oh, it's not. Wow. Pandora, Best Studies, Diop, Levis, Titans, Shen. The Pandora. Oh, that got me scared. 6/25. I thought maybe that was gonna be a rookie Kings. Don't tease me. I haven't seen much of this, so Kobe Turner. Oh. Kenneth Walker. Speaking of an ice, for the Raiders, Sorensen gets an ice of the other tight end number 2, Mike Mayer. 2 of 3. Come on, have a vinyl or something here. Trayvon. Knicks. Oh, shit. Worthy. Brooks. Laube. Kendra Orange. McMillan Pink. You know, I'm good on Optic Hobby for a minute, guys. Let's go back to doing blasters and shit again. I'm good on this. Sorensen, I'm sorry. That was rough. That was rough. Sorensen, everybody. KC, sorry. Dak. Yeah, this thing was terrible. I'm good. Yeah, I'm good on this. I'm good on this. The next one I do will be a full case. Sorry, guys. I tried. I tried. I tried. Sorry, Sorensen. I'll take care of you on something else. Yeah. This case was ugly. It was like such a teasing case. Like, when I see a lot of bad boxes in a row, usually, and again, usually. Yeah, I'm sorry, Mikey. Today was not the day. Yeah, this case was trash. Fucking rubber. Yeah, the Caleb duo was legit. The May was legit. But like as a case. Because all of these hits came out in like 2 boxes. So we could say 2 good boxes and 10 shitty ones. Like the 10 outweighs the 2. You know? If it's 4 good boxes, 4 bad, 4 okay, not bad, you know? No tilting, no tilting. No tilting, don't tilt. Bankroll management is key, right? Shitty day, no problem. There's always tomorrow. Unless we're running out of product. That was the break, guys. Thank you.